Welcome to the Industry 4, fourth to forthcoming industrial revolution. Academy TI4, an initiative by the Industry 4, a contribution towards industry and society. Hello everyone, I am Kuldeep Kaushik representing the Industry 4. Let's move forward and learn together on the track of our knowledge enhancement journey. Before moving forward, let's have a look on the topics we are going to discuss today. Before discussing about the steering forces for digital transformation, let's review our basic understanding on digital transformation. Digital transformation, it's about transformation of digital technology, digital operations, digital product, digital value, digital process, digital experience and digital services. Digital transformation, it's about a digital pure play with a digital mindset. Now moving towards the digital transformation progression path, we have 3 milestones. First, the digitization. Digitization is the process of transitioning from analog to digital. Second, the digitalization. Digitalization is the process of making digitized information work for our business. And third, the digital transformation. Digital transformation is the journey of applying the digitalization to transform our business. If we see the digital transformation in a step-by-step approach, then it's simply a process from digitization through digitalization to digital transformation. Now let's look at the digital transformation in a technology and business context. In this context, business and technology play a very important role for each other. On the business side, it creates a demand for the technology enhancements and evolution. And on the technology side, it enables for a new business model. So in this way, we can see that both technology and business play a very important role for the digital transformation. And in our successive discussions, we will further explore the horizontal components associated with technology aspects and vertical components associated with business aspects. We can also see technology factors and business factors in terms of drivers and enablers. In this context, technology factors act as enablers for the development of new business model. And on the other hand, business factors act as drivers towards a new technology evolution. Now let's look at the steering forces to transform the industries in terms of business drivers and technology enablers. On one side, we can categorize efficiency, customer centricity, innovation, sustainability, global scale and collaboration as a part of business driving forces. And on the other side, we can categorize distributed intelligence, datafication, cloudification, automation, connectivity and virtualization as a part of technology enabling forces. Let's further explore the technology enablers and business drivers in terms of horizontal and vertical components. On one side, we can represent the technology enablers as horizontal components because these are the components which enables the digital transformation of any industry vertical. As these components are common to most of the industry verticals, so considered as horizontal components. And these horizontal components are 5G, IoT, AI/ML, mobility, blockchain, cloud computing and big data analytics. And on the other side, we can represent the business drivers as vertical components, as these components are directly associated with and influenced by a specific industry vertical, so known as industry vertical components. And these vertical components are product and services, customer experience, market ecosystem, value propositions, skill and competence, regulatory compliance, and business environment. Have a look on another pictorial representation of horizontal components and their association with different industry verticals. Here also we can see that these horizontal components are common to the most of industry verticals, so considered as horizontal components. Now let's see the catalyst of change for digital transformation. These catalysts of change are the influencing forces behind our technology enablers and business drivers. And few of these catalysts of change are change in demography features, change in regulatory compliance, change in business model, change in customer demand, change in economy dynamics, change in technology landscape, and change in market ecosystem. And in the last, have a look on the digital transformation industry influencers. The industry influencers are the service anchor point and the sole objective surrounding which a particular industry evolve and transform. For example, learning is the service anchor point for the education industry, and in any time, either from our past, our present, or in future, it's about the learning which is the sole objective of the education system and industry. In the same way, we have service anchor point wellness for the health industry, content for the media industry, mobility for the transport industry, transaction for the banking industry, exchange for the retail industry, and production for the manufacturing industry. Before leaving,